Good morning. We've got a pretty big update today. I'm not going to do a screen share because there's one link. If you click on anything down below that I think is going to change the way you're able to help clients you've helped in the past and clients you're going to help in the future. The big weekend update coming up now. Happy Friday, guys. I've got the headphones on, keeping my ears warm and listening to some lo-fi beats. Here's the deal. I'm not going to do a screen share today because I think there's a link down below. It's one of the most comprehensive links on insurance, changes, challenges, headwinds that I've read so far. I've talked with insurance agents. I've talked with firefighter clients that I have. More on that will be coming in the future, but I think this link right now is really helpful to give you a perspective on what's happening in the insurance market, why. And we're working on some projects with our renovation team that I'll talk about in a little bit to help fire-hardened homes, especially in high-risk areas, using renovation purchase loans or renovation refinance loans. As we know, we don't help people just buy houses. We help them acquire homes, and protecting that home is of the utmost importance. Not just the investment with the insurance side of it, that's typically required, but also very hard to get, but an ounce of prevention as well, doing what we can to help people protect their homes from total losses. The first link down below is a second look or a different perspective on the December housing numbers across several markets, including San Diego. This is going to give you more of an inventory outlook, where San Diego is sitting at about 2 months supply of inventory, which feels like critically low, even though those numbers are up. That puts us towards the lower third of the inventory market. So it's going to keep pressure on limited supply, still making it a great time to sell your home, having a little bit of leverage, although that doesn't discount everything that I've said for the last several months, that it's still a good trend for buyers, because buyers are winning with credits that are subsidizing interest rate or keeping thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars in their pocket at close in the form of closing cost credit. Take a look at that. It's another great look at the December housing markets for existing home sales. Number 2, this is the link that I was talking about down below. It's from CNBC, but it is extensive. It is thorough and has multiple perspectives on why your past clients may be having challenges, but also why your future clients need to be highly aware of the risk and cost associated with risk-based pricing, not just in California. As we're seeing insurance premiums go higher in markets that are lower risk in order to offset payouts by major insurance companies in high-risk markets like California. Interesting note, insurance premiums have risen 33% between 2020 and 2023 and only going higher now. So things that we need to factor in for cost and I'm sure you're all aware of this, also qualifying. So kitchen table economics important, protecting the kitchen table, critically important, and making sure that we're in the right price range relative to cost and affordability and approvability. So definitely check that out below. And then number 3, and this is something I meant to touch on last week, but we're coming off of the Martin Luther King holiday. I want to make sure that you understand and appreciate, although I'm sure you do, the connections between the Civil Rights Act and the Fair Housing Act. That's 1968, and just a few years later came ECOA, the Equal Credit Opportunity Act. Now, some of you guys may know these more as disclosures, rules, regulations that we have to follow, and while that is very much true, it's a personal mission for me to link people's equal opportunities and rights within America to include their opportunity and right to own a piece of America for themselves. So I want you to click on the link below. I invite you to do that, and keep in the forefront of your mind as we're on the front line of helping people literally exercise their rights in this country that close connection. And keep in mind that there are products that help people, not with a handout, but a hand up to become homeowners. That could be CalHFA. That could be Golden State Finance Authority. That could be San Diego Housing Commission, and also a brand new grant program from National Association of Realtors. More on that to come in the future. This is a brand new product that I'm just learning about and look to apply in our market in partnership with my realtor partners like you to help people buy a property, own property, and hopefully build generational wealth and go from a house to a home and learn how to protect it as best as possible within the crazy market we're in right now for insurance and wildfire. Stay safe out there. If you or your loved ones have been impacted by any of the fires, please let me know if there's something that I can do to help you. I've got resources and more information to come on how these fires and the losses, frankly, could be impacting people and their ability to pay their mortgage. Have a wonderful weekend. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you next week.